there are the wolves playing around again. Hello, Wolfie. Hello. Hello, Wolfie. Hello, Wolfie. See the electric fence there. Yeah, it's working pretty well. And down in that end down there was where the javelinas got in through the fence. And where she's drinking water there was some ice, about a quarter of an inch of ice on the water this morning. Hello, Lara. Hello, Lara. Hello.
Here you go, big fella. There you go.
Oh boy.
There you go.
Hey, what do you like that?
There you go, Lara.
Oh,
Those are good wolves, huh? Those are good wolves.
The
Huge.
size of them.
Yes. There you go. He takes it nice. You take yours nice, then. There you go. We've got just about a snack left here. Good boy. There you go. Just a little bit. Okay.
Might be able to get the mountains range there for him too, Neil. Will it go that far? Or
Good
Yeah,
dogs,
let's
huh?
see.
Good dogs.